Hello everyone, welcome to this new episode, The Good Code. In this episode, I will talk about two variations of Java code which measures the execution time of any code block. So let's go to the code. So I have written two functions. First one is time taken A, another is time taken B. I'm trying to just measure the execution time of the compute function, and the compute function is very simple. As you can see, it is iterating over million time doing some random computation. So let's explore function time taken A. In this function I have used current time in milliseconds, which gives you time in a millisecond, which is epoch, and a clock time. So I have logged start time and end time just before the compute function and after the compute function. I'm trying to find the difference. So mostly people assume that this difference can never be negative, but this is not fully true. This can be negative, although it's rare, but there are still possibilities. And whenever it happens, it breaks a lot of things. So that is why I mark this time taken as the bad code. Let's explore the other one. So this function is time taken B. Here I have used System.nanoTime. This gives you time in milliseconds, which is basically elapsed time from the server start. So this is kind of incremental and follows the philosophy of arrow of time, and this difference can never be negative. And it is also giving you time in nanoseconds, which is like more precise compared to milliseconds. So especially if you are trying to measure the computation time, this can be a better approach. It can be more precise and it can avoid any pitfalls like this wrong assumption that this difference can never be negative. So before we move on, I will try to explain why this difference can be negative. So let's follow this diagram. So mostly servers and normal computers uses the quartz clock, which is not very accurate. That is why they regularly sync with NTP servers, and NTP servers can give very accurate time because they use atomic clock, and also they adjust for the leap second. So you can Google this term leap second. There can be some irregularities in the earth rotation due to multiple reasons like earthquake, tsunami, and so many regions. And time authorities like UTC, they kind of regulate these phenomena and try to correct the timings. That is why leap second can be added or subtracted in the current time, which can make the difference negative. Again, as I mentioned, this is a very rare phenomenon, but it is still possible. Thanks for watching this.